Hi, so here I have a Dodge 2006 Ram 1500. Ignition does not work at all. I can put the key in, do whatever I want, turn the wheel, step on the brake, everything a guy could think of I did. If you have the key, then you can actually turn this so that you can go in with from underneath with a pin and actually just take the whole thing out. But I have no key, or I do have a key, but I can't turn it. There's no way I can do that. So I could take the whole entire works apart and maybe somehow remove it that way, but I tried pounding the key with the hammer, didn't do anything. So I'm just gonna take a screwdriver, which is the last resort sort of thing. Well, I guess the last one would be to drill it out, but one article said to just bang a screwdriver in, and that way you can actually turn it so you can get in with the pin from underneath right here and just push up some kind of a pin, and then you can pull the whole tumbler right out. So I don't know, we're gonna see what happens. This is a not too thick of a screwdriver, so I might ruin the screwdriver, but so be it. Here we go. Well, that turned out to be not so easy. It simply doesn't go in. Well, I don't know how those guys do that, but they must use a jackhammer or something to get it in. Let's try another screwdriver. I got a few different sizes here. This one is even fatter, so that's going to be even harder, I suppose. Here we go. It's still not doing anything, obviously. Oh, something happened. The wheel got loose. So let's try it with the key again. Okay, I put the key in, and yes, for sure, still being stubborn. Okay, well, you don't want to listen, you got to deal with the results. Here we go again, screwdriver. Oh, it's going in now. Ouch. I thought I hurt that thumb enough already. Nothing happening. This thing really doesn't like Saturdays, I guess. I don't know what it is, but try again with screwdriver. Nope. Nope. Not a chance. Last resort. Another small screwdriver. Nope. Nope. Not doing that either. Key goes still in? Yeah. No, nobody home. Forget it. Okay. Well, I guess that's gonna be the drill. And I will show that on the next one. Bye bye.